Tinnitus, a perception of ringing or buzzing in the ears, can be a distressing condition, especially when it is related to Eustachian tube dysfunction. In this video, we will explore some natural remedies that can help in managing tinnitus caused by Eustachian tube dysfunction. Before we dive into the remedies, let's understand what Eustachian tube dysfunction is. This condition occurs when the Eustachian tubes, which connect the middle ear to the back of the throat, become blocked or do not function properly. Eustachian tube dysfunction can lead to tinnitus and other ear-related issues. One effective natural remedy for managing tinnitus related to Eustachian tube dysfunction is steam inhalation. By inhaling steam, you can help open up the Eustachian tubes and improve their function. To do this, simply heat water in a bowl, position your face over the bowl, and cover your head with a towel to trap the steam. Breathe in the steam for about 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat this remedy a few times a day for best results. Another remedy that can help alleviate tinnitus caused by Eustachian tube dysfunction is nasal irrigation. This involves flushing out the nasal passages with a saline solution to remove any blockages or irritants. You can use a neti pot or a nasal spray bottle for this purpose. Follow the instructions provided with the device and perform nasal irrigation once or twice a day. Jaw exercises can also play a role in relieving tinnitus associated with Eustachian tube dysfunction. These exercises help improve the flexibility and function of the muscles and joints in the jaw. One simple exercise is to gently open and close your mouth while placing your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Repeat this exercise for a few minutes several times a day. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can provide relief from tinnitus related to Eustachian tube dysfunction. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional if your symptoms persist or worsen. Remember, these remedies are not a substitute for medical advice. Stay tuned for more helpful videos on natural health solutions.